Even in a blasting city like Zamboanga, many residents struggle to access clean and affordable energy. For some, a simple electric fan is a luxury. Here in Zamboanga City, many families can't afford the high cost of electricity. Some resort to using generators, but that's expensive and pollutes the air. Sustainable Development Goal 7 aims to ensure everyone has access to clean and affordable energy. Achieving this goal in Zamboanga City requires investment in renewable energy sources and programs to assist low-income families. These are the 5 targets of the SDG 7 that are set to be achieved by 2030. Across the globe, the story of energy is a story of 2 worlds. One bathed in the light of clean, sustainable power, the other, power in the electricity wires. The good news? We have the power to change this story. Solar panel is one of the most known renewable energy that residents of Zamboanga City are using. Solar panels offer a cleaner and cheaper alternative in the long run. Solar energy is a clean and abundant renewable resource. Solar panels convert sunlight directly into electricity, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and combating climate change.
Yo soy Linda Bartolome, 3 años ya usa solar panel. Siempre alegre que por casa claro y mira la casa adentro. La ventaja del solar panel que por casa una vez lang el gastos contra el corriente la paga todo el mes. Fui un poquito caro pero valuable. Quiere kanila habla kay el solar panel. Grande ayuda para na casa que no hay corriente pati que limpio de su calidad na claridad salin asol.
Gracias Auntie Bartolome na nandito yung verdad answer o honesto. And ojalá nandito kasi tayo kabaabla or kalau tayo pwede abla abiso ay pwede ayuda ng otro gente na kere usa or man promote clean and affordable energy.
Ang pangalan ko po ay si Sias Nelim. Maganda, mabuti, makatipid at saka makatulong. Para sa akin, mura lang siya kasi kailangan ko siya. Gusto talaga yung walang ilaw. Kaya gusto nila mag-solar na lang sila.
Thank you, sir. These are the organizations and companies that helps promote renewable energy.
By supporting these organizations, you become part of the solutions. Volunteering your time, skill, donating resources, or simply spreading awareness, every actions contribute. Imagine the collective impact if millions of people join forces.
By choosing renewable energy, you're not just saving your money on electricity bills. You're actively reducing your carbon footprint. Fossil fuels pollute our air and contribute to climate change, but renewables offer a cleaner alternative, leaving a healthier planet for future generations.
Let's rise to the challenge. Let's light up the future together. Because with SDG 7, the power to create a better world for all lies within each of us.